solve. Solve xy p square xy p square plus x square plus xy plus y square into p plus x square plus xy is equal to 0. X square plus xy is equal to 0. So we need to solve this problem using solvable for p. Then, so the given differential equation is, write down as it is what they mentioned the question, xy p square plus x square plus xy plus y square into p plus x square plus xy is equal to 0. Now you can simplify this one. So for simplification, just you can multiply p inside of the terms. Then xy p square plus x square into p is nothing but x square p plus xy into p, xyp plus y square p plus x square plus xy is equal 0. Just I multiplied p instead of the terms. Now we have to simplify this one. So here it is. In first two terms, which one is the common one? In these two terms, xp is the common one. We can take that one as common. So if you take that one as common, what we get remaining? Yp plus, so x into y, xy, p into p square. And next here it is xp we took common and remaining x. Next, plus in these two terms what we can take common. So second, third term and fifth term. So in these two, x is the common one. You can take x as common one. If you take x as common one, what we'll get? Yp from this term and from this term x. And next, coming to these two terms, this one and this one, y is the common one. So if you take y as common one, what about remaining? Yp plus x is equal to 0. Just I simplified. For simplification, I did common terms. And now here it is there any common term in the entire equation? Yp plus x is the common term. So yp plus x is the common one. And then what about remaining? Xp plus x plus y is equal to 0. So this is the one. So I split it into factors. Now by null factor, simply you can take it as two equations. There it is. First one is yp plus x is equal to 0. Let me take it as 1. And next, the second equation, what we can choose here, xp plus x plus y is equal 0. So this is, take it as another equation. Now we need to find solutions for these differential equations. So for that, I am taking first equation. Here it is from equation 1. So from 1, so here it is yp plus x is equal 0. So p is nothing but what? Dy by dx. So y into dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. And then, so y into dy by dx is equal, so take this x into right hand side, then it changes to minus x. Now by variable separable, you can apply variable separable method. By variable separable, simply we can write y terms one side and x terms another side. So y dy is equal minus x dx. And now apply integration for this. On integrating, so simply apply integration for this. Integral y dy is equal minus integral x dx. So that is nothing but integral x power n, integral y power n, that is y power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y square by 2 minus x square by 2 plus constant c. And then simply what we can write here it is, take this x square also this side, x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to c. And then, so x square plus y square is equal to c. So this is also a constant one. So this is the solution of this equation 1. Now we have to find the solution for second equation. So what about second equation here? From equation 2, xp plus x plus y is equal to 0. And now here it is x terms, keep it one side. So xp plus x is equal to minus y. And now here it is, p is nothing but what? Dy by dx. So x into dy by dx plus x is equal to minus y. Minus y. And now, so you can take LCM, and then what we'll get? X dy plus x dx is equal to minus y dy. Minus y dy. And then here it is having x dy plus x dx is equal to minus y dy, not dy, dx. Minus y dx. And now take this one into one side. X dy plus y dx. So I took this term into left hand side and I am taking this term into right hand side. Then it is minus x dx. Is there any formula we can write in place of this one? X dy plus y dx is nothing but simply what we can write? Derivative of xy. Inspection method we set this formula. Derivative of xy is nothing but x dy plus y dx, which is equal to minus x dx. Now you can apply integration on both sides. Then on integrating. So integrating on both sides. On integrating, integral derivative of xy is equal to minus integral x dx. Minus integral x dx. So derivative and integration cancel, then we'll get xy is equal to minus x square by 2 plus constant c. And if you want, you can take LCM, and then what will get? 2xy and is equal to minus x square plus 2c. And take this x square into this side, then it is x square plus 2xy is equal to c. So this is the general solution of the second equation. And now we need to write the total general solution of the given differential equation. So therefore, the general solution of the given differential equation is, here it is, x square plus y square minus 2c into x square plus 2xy minus 2c is equal to 0. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So this is the way you need to find the solution if it is a solvable for P. Next question. Solve. Solve 4y square P square plus 2xy into 3x plus 1 into P plus 3x cube is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Same just like as previous problem, we need to solve this one. Okay, so first we can take the given differential equation as this. So the given differential equation is, here it is, 4y square P square plus 2xy into 3x plus 1 into P plus 3x cube is equal to 0. So the given equation as it is we chosen. Now you can multiply the terms. So 4y square P square plus 2x into y into 3x sum. 2 into 3 is 6. 6x square y into P also here plus 2xy into 1 is nothing but 2xy P plus 3x cube is equal to 0. Now we have to take the common one. Okay, so what we can take common? So here it is, 2yp is the common one we can take. 2yp. If you take 2yp as common one, and what about remaining here? 2yp So are you getting same or not? 2 into 2, 4, y square and p square plus, and here it is yp already we took common. So 2yp I took common. And what about remaining? 3x square. So this is the remaining one. And now coming to this, here what we can take common in that? You can take x as common one. So if you take x as common one, what are the remaining one? 2yp plus 3x square is equal 0, right? So just I took common terms. And now if you observe this one, in that, which one is the common one again? 2yp plus 3x square into 2yp plus x is equal to 0. Now by null factor law we have to take this into two equations. What are those? 2yp plus 3x square is equal 0. Let me take it as 1. And next one, 2yp plus x is equal 0. Let me take it as 2. So now we have to find the solutions for these differential equations. So for that I am taking first equation from equation 1. So 2yp plus 3x square is equal to 0. Okay. Now, so 2y into p is nothing but what? Dy by dx is equal, take this 3x square into right hand side minus 3x square. So we can apply variable separable, right? By variable separable, simply what we can write? 2y dy is equal minus 3x square dx. Apply integration on both sides. Then 2 is a constant, integral y dy is equal minus 3 into integral x square dx. So 2 into y integration is nothing but y square by 2 is equal minus 3 into x square integration is x cube by 3 plus constant. So here it is 3 both will cancel and 2 both will cancel. Now you take that x cube into left hand side, then it changes to x cube plus y square is equal c. X cube plus y square is equal to c. This is the general solution for first equation. And for second equation, from equation 2. From equation 2, 2yp plus x is equal 0. And then 2yp is equal minus x. And then 2y into p is nothing but what? Dy by dx is equal minus x. And 2y into dy is equal. So you can take that dx into right hand side minus x dx. And apply integration on both sides. 2 is a constant. Integral y dy is equal minus integral x dx. And then 2 into y integration is nothing but y square by 2 is equal to minus x square by 2 plus constant c. Here it is 2 both will cancel, and then we have y square, and take this term also this side, x square by 2 is equal c. After taking LCM, simply what we'll get? 2y square plus x square is equal c. So this is another solution. And finally you can write the general solution. The general solution of the given differential equation. The general solution is, simply we can write x square plus y square minus c into 2y square, or x square plus 2y square is equal to, here it is having, after taking LCM, 2c, no, so minus 2c is equal to 0. So this is the another total general solution of the given equation.